Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys all the basics you guys need to know in algebra for the calculator. Let's get to it. How to turn it off: you hit second and then you hit on. Ooh, so now you know how to turn on your fresh new calculator. Look at that, freshly bought. I know you guys are very excited to get the use of this. And the most useful thing you're going to use is exponents. And you don't want to do 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So what if you have 4 to the power of 10? How do you do that? The easiest and most simple way is just putting the number 4, right? And then you would click, see how you hit 4? Then you would click the backwards V, the thing I'm pointing at. And then you would hit whatever exponent you want, which is 10. Okay, so now we're going to see how we can square root a number. In this occasion, it's going to be 10. What you're going to do is you're going to hit second, and then you're going to hit x to the power of 2. And after you hit x to the power of 2, it'll create that square root, and then you just insert the number. In this occasion, it's 10, and it will give you 3.16. If you want to put something to cube root, you just have to, like 125, what you do is hit 3, because it's cubed, and then second, and then you would hit x to the power of 2. Oh, sorry, yeah, you would hit the exponent again, and then that would give you, and then you just put the thing, and then it'd be 125, and then it gives you the answer. Okay, so now what if you have a different number that you want to square with, right? Let's say 4. So what you'd have to do is hit, sorry, I made a mistake there. You would have to hit the number, whichever it is. I hit 4, and then you would hit second and then exponent, and then it would give you your solution, which is 3.34. Okay, so let's say now you have a negative exponent and it's not -1, because if it's -1, you already have a button you can hit there. And it's like -10. You would have to know that you have to convert into a fraction to be 1 over 5 over 10. And how do you do that? Well, to put any exponent you want, you'd put 1 over, which would be fraction, and 5 to the exponent whatever you want. You hit the exponent thing that looks like a backwards V, and then you can put the exponent 10. And it would give you a crazy number, but it does give you the solution. Next, how to write fractions. Well, you would just have to hit the dividing. If you want to do 7 over 2, you hit 7, then the division symbol over 2. You can actually add them too, so if your teachers let you do the decimals, then just go ahead and add them like this. And you can just leave it as decimals, which is very simple. Okay, so now if they ask you, if they give you like pi times b, you have to know that pi equals 3.14, and there's a button for that. You just have to hit pi. Okay, now if you want to do percentages, you would just put the number, the percent, like 68%, and then you'd hit second and the first parentheses, and that would give you the percentage symbol and give you the solution. And if you want to multiply percentages, then you can just multiply by the number. That's it. If this was helpful in any way, please subscribe, and God bless.